Hi guys, it's Tracy and today I am back with my Boxy Luxe unboxing and this is for March 2021. Can you guys believe we're already in March? Like, I don't know where the time is going. It's like gone. Almost gonna be like summer, except today it's cloudy, so if the lighting's kind of off, it's like kind of dark outside and it's only 1 o'clock. So, if you're new to my channel, hello, my name's Tracy. I love makeup. So, we do all kinds of fun things here about makeup. So, if you're a returning watcher, welcome back. If you're new, welcome. I hope you will give my video a thumbs up. And if you enjoy the video, please think about subscribing before you leave. So, let's see what's in the box. First, I'm going to tell you what's on my eyes. It is the LA Girl. This is called Keep It Playful, and this is the one that's called Playmate. That's what it looks like. It's kind of got a gold rim around it. And I found this at CVS. There's 3 different ones. So I had an extra care buck that I had to use up, so I used it on that. And then on my lips, I have this little baby Mcgrath Lipstick, and it's Flesh 3 Sheer Balm. I got like a little 3-piece set from Sephora. They still had these in stock. You get a clear one, this one, and another shade, and it was $10 for the 3 of them. So I can say I've tried something by Pat McGrath. Oh my God. Just kidding. Okay, let's see what's in the box. Here it is. Mister's here trying to see what's in the box too. What's in it? Come on, what's in it? What's in it? Can you get the card out for me? What use are you? You're just gonna look at me. Okay, no help from Mister today. Sorry guys. He's here though. Okay, theme of the box is lucky. Let's hope that we are lucky this month. And of course, it always tells you on the card what's in the box, how much it is, and all that good stuff. So the first thing on the top of the box is a palette. This is called Barbarella, and this is by Beauty London. Never heard of them. This says, it says it's a Boxy exclusive. Meet the black book of color with subtle shades to straight up blasts of color. Jet milled pigments deliver intense, saturated, light reflective shades with gorgeous textures, plus long lasting and non-creasing silky and velvety finishes. And it says that this is $50. It's a big price tag for a company we've never heard of, but it's pretty. It's more, I would say, on the neutral side with a pop of blue though. I don't see any intense straight up blasts of color. So let's try this coppery shade here and see what that looks like. And this green and this blue is a matte. So there's what the 3 of those look like. I'm trying not to move my elbow too much. It's still messed up, so those are the best swatches I could do for now. So that copper sure didn't show much, did it? Could you do the swatches for me, please? Let's just build it up a little bit. It's just kind of it's not really, the blue came off pretty nice though for being, you know, vibrant. So we'll have to play around with it and see what we think. And I think I told you guys last month, I'm gonna start doing, a ranking style for my videos, for my Boxycharms every month. And I'm gonna rank them like according to how much I liked or didn't like said products. So I have my basket over here ready to film the next, or February's boxes, and I'm gonna rank them. Next up here is something from Dominique Cosmetics. I'm always glad to see her in my boxes. I've liked everything I've tried from her. This is called the Creamy Fill and Define Lip Liner, and it's $18. Does it have a shade? This is the shade Crush. It's nice that they sent like a nude kind of shade too. It has like a teardrop shape to it. So let's see. And it's like a thicker pencil. I mean, you could get a more precise line, but if you like to fill your lips all the way in, it has a thicker tip, almost like the Anastasia brow definer, thicker, not the little micro tip. And it says, define and fill your lips with this unique teardrop shaped lip liner, narrow at the top for precise and wider at the bottom to fill. It's infused with clean, good for you ingredients like vitamin E to protect from free radicals, boost circulation. That's kind of funny. Boost circulation is going to plump my lips too, right? And to keep lips pillowy soft. The silky, long-lasting demi-matte finish is light and breathable. You'll forget you're wearing it. So, 18 bucks. Nice, nice, nice. Let's see. I couldn't decide on the choices because to me, none of the choices were really anything I wanted. So I just was like, I will let Boxycharm send me whatever product they want because like I didn't need a makeup brush holder. I didn't need those little eye wand glass things. And I don't really need like this little mini heat brush because stuff like this does not really work on hair like mine. When you have a ton of hair and you try to use something this small on a whole head of hair like mine, like it doesn't work. So I'll probably pass this on to my daughter. She, you know, could probably use it on clients that have short hair maybe. So this is supposed to be, I think it says $150. Let's see. Where's it at? Soleil Hair Tools Mini Heat Brush. This is perfect for on-the-go styling and touch-ups. It has a powerful, easy-to-use, full-size tool, but is compact enough to carry with you everywhere on the go. The rapid heat time and heat-resistant bristles allow this cute, handy brush to quickly and easily glide through your hair. Not my hair. Safe for all hair types. Welcome to your new beauty tool. And it's $150. So, yeah, I think my daughter will get use out of it. I hope she will. If not, then we'll pass it on to somebody else with short hair. Because this won't work on any of the ladies in my family. We all have long, thick hair. Okay, next thing I see is the Eloise Beauty Rose Gold Teardrop Brush. It's a mini teardrop brush. Is the first ever brush to be made in this style with thousands of super soft synthetic fibers in each vegan-friendly and cruelty-free brush. You're guaranteed remarkable results. The mini teardrop brush can be used for all base applications, making this revolutionary brush an absolute essential for any cosmetic enthusiast's collection. There's a nice box to it. It's like magnetic. We like a magnet. Very nice presentation. It's in like a little silk bed of its own. And I don't know. What would you use this for? Like foundation? It's really soft. Wow, it's super, super soft. But I don't really, what would you use this for? Cream products maybe? I was thinking if it was, I don't know, you could use it like to put oil, like that sparkly kind of oil maybe on your body. It is really soft though. But what, I don't know, foundation, I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know if you got this or if you know what it is, like what you would use it for. How has been the best use for you? It says you can use it for foundation, concealer. That would be kind of hard to get under your eyes with that. Bronzer, finishing powder, body paint, self-tanning, special effect finishes. Cool. It says there's 500,000 super soft synthetic fibers in each brush. Wow. So pretty cool little brush there. Next up is a choice item, so I did pick this. This is my Daily Glow Dose of Glow Illuminate and Brighten by Skin Ink. And let's see, it says it's a custom pre-blended serum specially designed to revive the look of dull and aging skin for a youthful complexion with an enviable glow. $65. So you guys will have to tell me if I have an enviable glow next month. Let's see. It has a bunch of little things floating in it. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can see. So I don't know what all those things are, but do they go away when you shake it? No, they still stay when you shake it. So we will try it out. We love skincare. So how much was that? $65. Wow. Next up here, we have the Glow Recipe Plump Plum Hydrating Serum. I love Glow Recipes stuff, so I'm always super excited to get. I'm kind of bummed that I missed out on the banana souffle cream. I don't really like the scent of bananas, though. I don't care for bananas really too much in general, so I didn't buy it because I was like, I don't know if I want to smell like banana or have to smell that, but maybe. Ooh, it's pretty. It looks like a little plum. Let's see if it smells. Did you want to smell it? You want to be my smell tester? Okay. Does it smell good? I don't really even get a scent off of it, so that's good. So this was $42. Wow. Ooh, and I got the lip mask. I saw somebody else show this. This is by AMNH Skincare, and it's called the Kiss the Stars 24-Hour Gold Lip Plumping Mask. This gold, 24-karat gold and biodegradable glitter stars lip plumping mask will moisturize and nourish your lips. Expect a tingling sensation for softer, kissable lips, and it says it is $42. Yeah, it smells kind of minty, and it's a big container, but I guess for 42 bucks they should give you a big container. So we'll let you know. And the last thing in my box, how cute! I got the Beauty Bakery Blending Eggs Beauty Sponges. These are only $18 for 6 of them. And one beauty blender is $20. And these come so cute. Like, I would buy these over a beauty blender probably. Well, I don't know. Let's see what they feel like. We have to feel them first, right? It's a cute package. Little mini egg carton. Oh, cute. Okay, let's feel one of these. Ooh, they feel pretty soft. That's a good deal. 6 for $18. I mean, I usually buy the Shop Miss A ones. This one feels pretty similar to the Shop Miss A one, the Wonder Blender or the Pawpaw Blender. So really nice. Cool. 6 of them. I can get over 6 of them for $18. That's a really good deal. So that will be what is in my Boxy Luxe box for the month of March. Let's total this bad boy up. Wow, $430. Wow, that's a pretty good deal. So $430 for $49.99. Pretty good deal. I think that I think we'll get our money's worth out of this one. So I hope that you guys enjoyed seeing what I got in my Luxe March box. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you were new, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button down below. Click the notification bell to be notified of new videos. It's totally free. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. And if you made it all the way to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys all have a beautiful day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.